Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add fingerprints to your 30i. So in order for you to do this, firstly head over to your settings application. Then in settings application you scroll up to you see security. So you click on security and then you scroll up to you see fingerprint. So you just input your lock screen password and then add fingerprint. So once click on add fingerprint, click on next and you just put your hand on the fingerprint sensor till it is done scanning. So as you can now see guys, I've been able to add a finger to my fingerprint lock on my lock screen. So this is just how you can easily do this guys. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.